Hello students, welcome you all. I am Ms. Deepali Patil, science teacher from Signet Public School, New Nare. Student, today we are going to learn organ system. Our body is made up of many organs. Some are external organs, some are internal organs. The parts of our body can be seen from outside are known as external organs. Our face, hands and legs are some of our external organs. Some organs are inside our body and cannot be seen, are known as internal organs. Our brain, heart and lungs are some of our internal organs. Many organs work together to do a particular function and they make up an organ system. There are many organ systems working in our body such as digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, muscular system and skeletal system. Student, today we are going to learn circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. It helps to transport different substances such as nutrients, water and oxygen to all parts of the body. Let's see first point, heart. Student, do you know where is our heart in our body? Yes, it is here. Keep your both hands like this. Now listen your heartbeat. Yes, it's beating. It beats 24 hours. It beats 24 hours. That's why we are alive. Student, now we see more things about heart. The heart is a muscular organ. The heart is a muscular organ which pumps blood to all parts of the body. It pumps blood into the blood vessels with a certain pressure called as blood pressure. The human heart consists of 4 chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricles, left ventricles. The human heartbeat around 72 times per minute. If we place our hand on left side of the chest, we will feel the heartbeat. When we do physical activities or exercise, the heartbeat faster as it supplies more oxygen to our body. Now we see next point, blood vessels. Blood vessels are thin tubes which start from heart and spread throughout the body. Arteries, these are blood vessels which carry pure blood from heart to all parts of the body. Now veins, these are the blood vessels which bring impure blood from different organ to the heart. Now capillaries, these are very thin blood vessels. Let's move ahead. Next point, blood. Student, many times you play with scissor or sharpen things. When it cut to your hand, what comes out? Blood. Yes, blood is a red colored fluid which flows into the blood vessels. It helps to transport different substances such as nutrients, oxygen and water to all parts of the body. It collects waste from different organs and transport it to kidneys for excretion. The blood also helps to fight against diseases and protect our body. So children, today we have learned the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. The heart is a muscular organ which pumps blood to all parts of the body. It pumps blood into the blood vessels. Blood vessels are thin tubes which start from heart spread through the entire body. Now blood is a red color fluid which flows into the blood vessels. I hope all of you understood the circulatory system. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.